I have been a part of LSO since the very beginning. I was probably one of the first 100 people that joined. I came in knowing nothing about options trading, like zero. And honestly, in the first year, I still probably didn't know a lot about options trading, and I still made money. I kind of watched the videos, so I did basically everything wrong. In the first year, I copy traded, everything was wrong, and it still worked out pretty well. And there was this moment when it clicks. And then that second it clicks, then the only thing I feel like anybody's thinking is like, how many more accounts can I start to bring in? How can I get more money in? What can I sell to put more money in? And it's this like magical moment that happens. And then after that, it's just like, how much more can I possibly get into an account that I can trade options on? I have a full patient load on both Monday and Friday. So literally in my lunch break, I take all of my trades. So I can, treat 16 people a day and still trade and roll on the major days that, we work the framework. So I feel like anybody can do it, right? I mean, it takes probably about 2 hours of my week. And it has been incredibly lucrative for me. The community has been incredible. So every day I have it set up that I get an email every time somebody posts. So if you would look at my Gmail inbox right now, it's going to say low stress options, new posts, new posts, new posts, new posts. And so not only is there so much activity, people are actually wanting to talk and engage and encourage one another. So if you have a problem, you can easily write, you can get an answer in seconds, and frequently you get an answer from Troy or John, right? I mean, what other program can you be a part of where you actually get the person who is the bigwig, right? The guru to actually answer you and not just give a one-word answer, right? They'll write a really big, in-depth, amazing explanation paragraph. If you're actually this far and looking at all these videos and watching this, I suspect there's something in you that has an interest that you actually want to do it. I have yet to hear of anybody that has actually worked the framework and has failed in any way, shape, or form. You will make your investment back in no time at all.
Hey, Troy here. If you want to see the complete framework and how all of the pieces fit together, sign up for my free masterclass series. It's so low stress you can do it in 1 to 2 hours a week, so low risk the government allows you to trade it in custodial accounts for children, and so effective it targets up to 68% returns per year. Just click the link below and I'll walk you through everything.